We're recording, yeah. We are recording. Welcome back, fellas. Welcome back to my Fisher Tech channel, as always. So, what we got here today? You can see right here. You can see on both cameras. We got this beauty right here, which as you can see, it's a Cougar power supply, cables and everything. I'll let you take a look on the specs just quickly. That's it, those are the specs. As you can see, it's 80 plus gold, which is pretty, and it's pretty heavy. It's heavy. You can feel it. So yeah, there's the on off button right here. Some dark somehow. Yeah, right now I'm recording my brand new, used but brand new for me motherboard. So I got this power supply unit just today. I got it, I removed some wires. I got it used from eBay. I visited the seller personally for seeing the device, and once there I bought this device, which you can see right here. Which, as you can see, have a nice amount of voltages supplied. What the hell? Like this. As you can see, it's pretty juicy. So I got this, and I got this, which is super heavy. Oops. 1.2 1200 volts, 1200 watts. So, however, we got this beauty right here. Our CPU wires and everything. Let me see. Those are pretty long. Those are pretty long, juicy, because right now with the power supply which I'm using right now, the Corsair VS 650, which is crappy, which is pretty crappy. So there's some sort of issue because it's too short. The wire is too short, so that's an issue. So we're gonna open it because I want to give it a clean, to take a look inside, remove some dust, if there is, I don't know. So we'll see. Let's go forward. Let's pull some screws, shall we? So the first, I'll pull it from the side right here. It's pretty fat screw. One other one right there. Just heard a loud noise, folks. I have to go taking a check. So of course my cat's messed up. Let's go forward. We have 4 screws, as you can see here on the top, which are exactly the same on the ones of the two of the side, on the side. There's this last one, as you can see. There's a warranty sticker. Now this PSU, it's used, of course. We're gonna try anyway removing the sticker. Let's just give it a try. Oh, it's already damaged. Look at that. It's some alcohol and it's gone. And it's gone. So here we have it. I'll remove it completely later. So right now the PSU is open, I think. So let me see, I removed all the screws. Seems that, yeah, only the screws of the fan are left in place. But right here it's pretty stuck. Yeah, got it on this side. We got it on this side too. And it's still somehow stuck. Okay, here we have it. Yeah, some dirty, but not that bad. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. Surely you can see. Yeah, there's some dust right here, some dust all around. Nippon, Teapo. Those are good components, I think. I guess. Yeah. This is a properly made power supply unit. See. Yeah. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat. And nothing. We got almost 10 minutes going now. So I don't know, maybe you want to take a look closer. I don't know if you can see something. Yeah, the LED, it's crappy. I think that you can see. You can see that's a pretty dang good product. Some dusty, but just slightly. Some boards are some moving. Yeah, there's some dust there and there, so it is worth a nice cleaning, and then I'll flip it. I put it in my desktop piece. So, folks, let's move this kind of teasing thing, and here we have it. is our power supply, and soon will be in my PC. This power supply right here. You know, I'm pretty sheep about such things, but seeing other videos, for example, HW Dante's Hardware channel, for example, which does a lot of tearing down and deep diving testing of power supplies. Check that this power supply is pretty neat, and now that I have it here, I can see it's pretty neat. Now I'll just pass it through some around. Take a look. It's not dusty. Now I'll take this clean. I'll pass it through the board around. Can't say it's dirty. Can't say it's dirty. It's fine. Just some blowing. I'll blow it, and then I'll put it. So thank you for staying tuned. Now 11 minutes. See you the next time. Bye.